Children, today in decimals we are going to do subtraction. We have to follow the same procedure as we have done for addition of decimals, but here we have to do the usual subtraction. Let's begin exercise 7.6. Question 1, second part. Subtract 36.785 from 38.02. First we convert 38.02 into like decimal having 3 decimal places, so we get 38.020. Now both the decimal numbers have same number of decimal places, and whenever in subtraction there is from, we write second number on the top. So here we write 38.020 on the top, and we write first number 36.785 below it. And children, remember to arrange the digits according to their place value. So here to the left of decimal point we have ones, tens, and to the right of decimal point we have tenth, hundredth, thousandth. Now let's subtract. So here 10 minus 5 is 5, 11 minus 8 is 3, 9 minus 7 is 2, we write decimal below decimal, 7 minus 6 1, and 3 minus 3 0. So we get 1.235. Let's do fifth part. Subtract 0.512 from 4.2. Here let's write 4.2 as a like decimal having 3 decimal places, so we get 4.200. Here again there is from, so we write second decimal number on top 4.200, and we write first decimal number 0.512 below it, and we subtract. So here we get 10 minus 2 8, 9 minus 1 8, 11 minus 5 6, decimal below decimal, and here 3 minus 0 3. So we get 3.688. Let's do seventh part. Subtract 92.08 from 100. Here we have to convert whole number 100 into like decimal number having 2 decimal places, so we get 100.00. Here again there is from, so we write second decimal number on the top 100.00 and write first decimal number below it 92.08, and we subtract. So here 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 0 is 9, decimal below decimal, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 9 0, and here also 0. So we get 7.92. Let's do question 2, first part. Find the value of rupees 60 minus rupees 14.75. Let's convert rupees 60 into like decimal having 2 decimal places. So we get rupees 60.00 minus rupees 14.75. Now let's arrange. So on the top we write rupees 60.00, and below it we write rupees 14.75, and we subtract. So here we get 10 minus 5 5, 9 minus 7 2, decimal below decimal, 9 minus 4 5, and here 5 minus 1 4. So we get rupees 45.25. Now let's do second part. 0.36 minus 0.19 meters. Now here both the decimal numbers have same number of decimal places, so let's arrange them. So we write 0.36 meter on the top, and we subtract 0.19 meters from it. So let's subtract. Now here 16 minus 9 is 7, 2 minus 1 is 1, decimal below decimal, and here 0. So we get 0.17 meter. Let's do question 3, simplify. Children, in simplification we have to perform both addition and subtraction. Now here maximum number of decimal places are 3, so let's convert 56.4 into like decimal having 3 decimal places. So we get 56.400 minus 8.333 minus 9.707. Now let's arrange the decimal numbers in column. So we write 56.400 on the top, and we subtract second decimal number from it. So we have here 8.333 and we subtract. So here we get 10 minus 3 7, 9 minus 3 6, 3 minus 3 0. Now here we get 16 minus 8 8 and here 4. So we get 48.067. Now let's subtract third decimal number from it. So we have 9.707 and we subtract. So here 7 minus 7 is 0, 6 minus 0 is 6, 10 minus 7 is 3, decimal below decimal, 17 minus 9 is 8 and here we get 3. So it is 38.360. Now let's do fourth part. Here maximum number of decimal places are 3. So let's convert all decimal numbers into like decimals having 3 decimal places. So we get here 112.600 minus 26.480 minus 0.780 plus 12.047. Now we arrange positive decimal numbers together. So here first and fourth decimal numbers are positive. So let's write them together. So we get 112.600 plus 12.047 and then we write negative decimal numbers 26.480 and 0.780. Now first we will add the positive decimal numbers. So let's arrange them in columns. So we have 112.600 plus 12.047. Now let's add. So here we get 7, 4, 6, decimal below decimal, 4, 2 and 1. Now we write third decimal number below it and we subtract. So we have 26.480 and we subtract. So here 7 minus 0 is 7, 14 minus 8 is 6. Now here 5 minus 4 is 1, decimal below decimal, and here 14 minus 6 is 8. Now here 11 minus 2 is 9 and here we get 0. So we get 98.167. Now we subtract the fourth decimal number which is 0.780. So we subtract 0.780 and here we get 7. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. Here 10 minus 7 3. Decimal below decimal, here we get 7 minus 0.7 and here we get 9. So it is 97.387. Now let's do question 4. How much is the difference of 623.42 and 565.604 less than their sum? Now here first we have to find out the difference of the two decimal numbers, then we have to find their sum, and finally we have to subtract difference from the sum. So let's do. Now first let's convert first decimal number into like decimal number having 3 decimal places. So we write 623.420 and below it we write 565.604 and we subtract. So here 10 minus 4 is 6. Here 1 minus 0 is 1. Here 14 minus 6 is 8. Decimal below decimal, 12 minus 5 7 and 11 minus 6 is 5 and 5 minus 5 is 0. So we get 57.816. Now let's find out the sum. So here we have 623.420 plus 565.604 0.604. So here we get 4, 2, 10, we write 0 and we carry 1 decimal below decimal. Here 9, 8, 11. So we get 1189.024. Now we have to subtract the difference from the sum. So it is sum minus difference. So we write 1189.024 and we subtract 57.816. Now let's subtract. So here 14 minus 6 is 8, 1 minus 1 is 0, 10 minus 8 is 2, decimal below decimal. Here 8 minus 7 is 1, 8 minus 5 is 3, and here we get 1, 1. So we get 1131.208. Now let's do question 5. From a ribbon of length 17 meter, 2 pieces of length 9 meter and 3.35 meter were cut. Find the length of the remaining part. So in this question, we have to add the lengths of the 2 ribbons which are cut from 17 meter. And then from 17 meter, we will subtract to find the length of the remaining part. So let's do it. So length of first ribbon is 9 meters. So let's convert it into like decimal having 2 decimal places. So we get 9.00 meters, and we write the length of the second ribbon 3.35 meters and we add. So here we get 5, 3 decimal below decimal, and here 12.35 meters. Now from the total length, which is 17 meters. So let's write 17.00 with 2 decimal places, and we subtract 12.35, the length of the 2 cut pieces of ribbon from it. So here we get 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 3, 6 decimal below decimal, 6 minus 2, 4, and 1 minus 1, 0. So the length of the remaining part is 4.65 meters. Now let's do 6th question. By how much should 79.86 be decreased to get 37.062? Decreased means less. So from 79.86 we have to subtract 37.062. So let's do. So we write first decimal number having 3 decimal places. So we get 79.860, and we write 37.062 below it and we subtract. So here 10 minus 2 is 8, 15 minus 6 is 9, here 7 minus 0 is 7, decimal below decimal, 9 minus 7 2, and 7 minus 3 4. So we get 42.798. So this is the required number. Question 8. The sum of two numbers is 100.5. If one of them is 62.9, find the other. So here we are given the sum of two numbers. So first number plus second number is equal to 100.5. Now we are given one of the numbers. So let's say it is 62.9 plus second number equal to 100.5. So to find out the second number, we have to subtract 62.9 from 100.5. So we write 100.5 on the top and we subtract 62.9. So here 15 minus 9 is 6, decimal below decimal. Here 9 minus 2 is 7. Here 9 minus 6 is 3, and here we get 0. So we get 37.6. So this is the second decimal number.